Hello everyone, check it out. I've got a big greenhouse. Alright, let's go in and take a look. See how far I had to stand back? Just so you could see how big it is. Alright, tucking inside and taking a look. Oh, look, everybody's growing in here. It's really nice. I just transplanted the dill. Will you look at all those tomato seedlings? Oh my goodness, everybody's so happy in there. And if we come down a level, we can see there's a bunch more down here. A few guys that are just getting the hang of it that have come from other folks, and I'm helping them get settled. And down here. So yeah, we've got a nice big greenhouse. I've got another little one over here that is starting off a whole pile of seedlings for me. So there you go. We are trying. We're trying to get plants going on all kinds of levels. And these are our little greenhouses. Hope you're all doing okay. Bye for now.